Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna make smoked mackerel sandwich. And this right here is the star of the dish. It's hot smoked mackerel. Although this is gonna be a very easy recipe, I really need some preparations, which is slicing the pickled cucumber. Something like this I'm using for this Turkish pickles, sour pickles that is, so that I know for sure that it's going to be sour, nothing sweet at all, because I really need the acidity as a contrast to the oiliness of the mackerel. I'm also using some sliced tomato. I'm not sure how many slices I'm going to use, just slice it all up. This tomato gives also good acidity. Here I got a nice piece of Turkish bread, which I opened already so that I can stuff all the ingredients right in there. I really love Turkish bread. It's very nice for all kinds of sandwiches. Putting all the pickles in there. This looks okay so far. And then the pieces of mackerel. Number 1. Oh yeah, that smokiness, that flavor, that fragrance, that is amazing already. I think I'm gonna use 2, yeah. 2 must be enough. Couple of slices of tomato. These are big slices, but that's okay. And last but not least, garlic sauce. This is Polish garlic sauce. Just bought it in the supermarket. Tastes great, so I'm gonna just pour it on there. Something like this. Some more over the mackerel. So here it is, the smoked mackerel sandwich. Now this is what I call a big sandwich, a mackerel sandwich XL. Really a nice combination of that oily, fatty mackerel meat, fish meat, with the acidity of the pickled cucumber and a tomato. They bring the freshness. That's what you need with a kind of oily fish like this one. Plus that creamy garlic sauce. That is nice. Like with all different flavors in one bite. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.